Yes, hello and welcome to IBOBooster. My name is Stuart Smith and I'm the founder. It's a pleasure to welcome you along to this series of videos. This is the first in the series and is basically the introduction one. And yeah, we're going to try and sort of keep them brief and because obviously we appreciate you're busy people. So little sort of short bites at a time, we feel that's the best way of doing it. So anyway, no further delays. Let's get straight into it. Today's, as I say, is the introduction one. So what we're going to do is to go through just the introduction letter you receive and then go on to your personal web page and introduction page just to go through the features on that and the information. So, right, so first right into the welcome letter that you receive once you've joined IBOBooster. And we'll scroll down through and pick out any relevant parts. The first bit that we'll point out is here where you're advised of what member level you've subscribed at. Everybody, free member starts at bronze, and then you can progress through silver through to gold on the free member options there. And that it really depends on your commenting, your involvement in the IBOBooster, etc. So we'll go into that at a later stage. So more information is on the welcome letter here on the basically guarantee grid positioning, etc. So you can have a look at that. It's fairly self-explanatory. The next really important part is the presentation link. This link here is what we highly recommend you go in and have a look when you've got time, just to see all the features of IBOBooster and the benefits, etc. and what it can do for your home business. So yeah, highly recommend you get in there as soon as possible. Go to scroll down just a little bit, and then we've got your personal introduction link and your personal page, which is this one here. This is the one you're going to use to introduce other people, and also has some key elements on there that you'll need to go back to when you're commenting as well. So just take a note of that link and use that as we progress through. Go down further on the welcome letter. You'll get some general information on the process of commenting, etc. It's pretty brief. Also on the benefits, etc. So it's just to give you an idea. The following videos will show in more detail what you've got to do, and it's sometimes easier to see what you do than just to read all about it. So this is just to give you some brief information. At the bottom of the welcome letter, you'll find some more links. These are all our own websites as well, and it gives you further promotion options. This is changing on a continual basis. There's always new developments. There's always new opportunities coming out, whether it's free or paid ones. So we're pretty creative on this area, as members will already know. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back into the actual personal page that you get. So this is your personal referral or introduction page. So we'll go right up to the top here. This is actually our page which we're showing, and we're obviously in it Diamond member. This box will change here depending on the level that you're at, all right, or the stage that you're at. So coming in, you're going to, as a free member, you're going to be in as a bronze member, and so yeah, so that's the box that will change there. So we'll start over here. This is just in general information about our mantra and whatever. So pretty self-explanatory what IBOBooster is about. Pop over to the next box here. This is where you contact IBOBooster admin. Live chat, so that'll flash there when it's when we're online, and likewise offline it'll just say leave a message. So we're online quite a lot, and it's going to really depend on your time zone and whether we sort of have agreeable time zones and that type of thing. But we're always pretty prompt at responding to messages or queries. Pop down here and you get the presentation link again, so you can go in there when you got a chance and have some, take a look at some more information, as we said in the welcome letter. So we'll come over to the right here. If you're not a member of IBO, then this is where you'll need to join, and this particular link is the members link, or your page link. So if somebody comes in to look at your IBO booster page, and they will join through you at IBO, because this is your personal link. For gold and upwards members, they also get the ability to get an IBO the chat box on here as well, so it takes you directly through to the member. So just by clicking here, very simple. Let's scroll down through general information on introduction to IBO Booster. Pretty self-explanatory. And then we got 4 simple steps, so we'll go through them one at a time. Number 1 is the application. Basically, a new member comes onto your site, they'll fill in the application which comes through to us, and we process it and send them out a welcome letter. Over to the right here, these are the where if you choose a paid advertising option, this is where you'll go. You click on this box here, and it will take you through to the benefits, so you can take a look and make an informed decision on whether you want to go that route. And then you've got the the premium and the diamond options there, and just subscribe to whichever one you want. So further information on this you'll get later videos, and also you'll see the power of the of what happens if you do have a paid option as well. Step number 2, we'll click on the power grid quickly, so just so you can see, but we're going to go into more detail on the next video. And yeah, this is a power grid which is populating very well at the moment, and ranges from bronze, silver, gold members up to diamond members, and yeah, and we're just trialing out some different classified boxes as well in between. So that's some something we're doing at the moment too as a further option. So once again, a continually changing playing field here. There's new things coming on all the time, so it doesn't stand still too long. So let's go back out of that, because we'll get into some more detail later there. Down on to number 3. Now, another very important part of IBO Booster, and it's been introduced on phase 5, is the personal comment advisor. This is where you need to come back to after you've placed your comments and just submit this very simple form, which advises us that you have commented, and this will determine your position on the IBO Booster Power Grid. So extremely important you come back here each time, otherwise you just won't be credited and you're just not going to move up on the grid, or you're going to be pushed down on the grid for other people coming in. So yeah, so once again we'll do this in practice on the next video. Step number 4, introduce new members and comment via IBO Booster every business day. Yes, every business day, and you don't have to do it the weekends. It was highlighted to us a little while ago by one of our respected members that people do deserve a rest, and we took that on board and said, yeah, so every business day. So have a rest the weekend, and then go back on to commenting after that. Okay, so the physical method of commenting on IBO will again, as I say, go on the next video exactly what's done. The more members you introduce and the more you comment, the higher your recognition and the higher up the advertising power grid you'll be positioned to enable more marketing exposure. That relates to IBO and also ultimately Google as well. So that's that. That's a simple stage there. So we'll come back down a little bit to the bottom of the page, and some important elements here. If you want to change your web page at all that you're showing on IBO Booster, very simple to do. Just click on this box, fill out the your preferred website, and submit it. You don't have to do this every day. I mean, it's just only if you wanted to put a change in. Okay. Over to the center box here. This is a very clever little widget system, and it's called Widget Quick, and we sort of picked up on it from one of our members actually, and we thought it would be good to introduce into the IBO Booster pages. The the big feature on it is it allows you to put in multiple pages, so you can have up to 10 pages on your IBO Booster, profile and website page that's showing every time somebody looks at it. And so instead of just having one opportunity to promote, you got up to 10. So um, it's very good. You can get it free, and or there's a pro option as well, which is extremely reasonable, like $7.95 a month for a lot of different additional features. So yeah, highly recommend that one. It's very good. What if you do it, and what happens is very simple to set up. You set up your website, so they give you a code, and then just you copy that code, and then just submit this form here, paste it into us, and we'll get your additional sites showing on your landing page. So very simple and highly recommended. The My Website Booster, this is one of our other websites. It works on similar basis to IBO Booster, but it covers the whole market, not just IBO. So it's got a lot of potential. It's only recently started off, and so that's being continually developed as well. So if you're using IBO Booster, we'd suggest you take a look at this too. Okay, so that covers the initial parts that we wanted to go through. So for this video, so that comes to the end on the video, and we'll look forward to welcoming you on the next one, which go into the details on the how you comment every day, and further information on the Power Grid as well. So thank you very much, and we'll talk to you on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.